Hello beautiful people, welcome to Zero Filter Food. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make fresh carrot juice. And instead of throwing away the leftover carrot pulp, we are going to turn it into soft, delicious carrot pancake. So yes, nothing goes to waste. Stay with me. So here's my carrots. It's properly washed and cleaned. Make sure you do the same. And I'll be cutting into smaller pieces. Now, if you're using a juicer, you can skip this step of cutting into smaller pieces. But I'm using a blender. So cutting into smaller pieces helps them blend much more easily. Next, I'm going to lightly simmer the carrot for about a minute or two. Now, this step is completely optional, but here's why I like doing it. But not every time. I don't do this every time, just sometimes. Actually, carrots are rich in vitamin A and vitamin C. So if you blend them raw, you would retain more vitamin C. But if you simmer them a bit, it helps your body absorb more beta carotene, which is converted into vitamin A. So vitamin A is actually great for eyesight, your skin, your overall immune system. So whether you boil your carrot or not is totally up to you. It all depends on what you want. But for this video, I'll be boiling my carrots for a minute or two. Once they've simmered for a minute or two, then transfer the carrots into a blender and blend until they are nice and smooth. Then you pour the blended carrots into a cheesecloth and squeeze out all the fresh juice. However, there are times when I make carrot juice, I had not just carrot, I had some other fruits like orange, I had the red apple, I had a little bit of lemon juice, but for this it's just the carrots. So you just pour in the cheesecloth and squeeze out that fresh juice. See, our carrot juice is ready. Our carrot juice is ready. So you can do this at home instead of buying juice outside. You don't know what they've mixed. There. This one is fresh, homemade. You are the one doing it yourself. No stress. Do it, put in the refrigerator, and you're good to go. You are good to go. You are good to go. Now you see this pulp. Don't throw that pulp away. It is very, very, very useful. You see this carrot pulp, don't throw it away. We'll be making carrot pancake. Start by cracking 1 egg into the carrot pulp. Depending on the quantity of the carrot pulp you have, you could use 2, 3. Like I said, depending on the quantity of your carrot pulp. But for me, I'm using 1 egg. Baking powder, a pinch of salt. You add some sugar, add milk. Yes, I added milk. Add milk and well. Now we have to add flour. For this, I'm using oat flour. If you don't have oat flour, it's not a problem. It's not compulsory. You can use the all-purpose flour. It works the same. The all-purpose flour works the same. So the flour simply just helps to hold everything together. So depending on the consistency of what you want. But for me, this is too thick. So I'll be adding a little water until I get a smooth consistency. And yes, I like this consistency. You want it thick enough to hold shape, but not too thick. So this consistency works for me. I like it. And now our pan is on fire, a little bit of oil just to grease it. And then I'm pouring the butter. That's the carrot butter. I'm pouring the carrot butter. And I cook both sides until they are beautifully brown. You can see it, and that's it. Our carrot pancake is ready. You can see it's so easy. Like, it's so easy. It is easy. Nothing wasted. So we have carrot juice and carrot pancake. Oh my god. You will love it. I hope you get to try it. I want to see your comments. Besides, please, I hope you've subscribed. I hope you've liked. Please subscribe if you've not. Like this video. Share as well.